What to do when you owe money to the IRS without hiring a lawyer. If you owe money to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and don't want to hire a lawyer, there are several steps you can take to address the situation. Here's a general outline of what you can do. Review and understand your tax debt. Carefully review the notice or correspondence from the IRS that outlines the amount you owe. Make sure you understand the reasons for the debt, including any penalties or interest. Contact the IRS. Consider reaching out to the IRS to discuss your situation. You can call the phone number provided on the notice or visit an IRS office in person. Explain your circumstances and willingness to resolve the debt. The IRS may be able to provide guidance and options for repayment. Explore payment options. A. Installment agreement. Request an installment agreement, which allows you to pay your tax debt over time in monthly installments. You can typically apply online using the IRS Online Payment Agreement tool or complete Form 9465, Installment Agreement Request. B. Offer in Compromise, OIC. If you're experiencing significant financial hardship and can't afford to pay the full amount, you may qualify for an OIC. This option allows you to settle your tax debt for less than the full amount owed. However, the qualification criteria for an OIC are strict, and the process can be complex. Consider consulting a tax professional or using the IRS's Offer in Compromise Prequalifier tool. C. Temporary delay. If you're facing temporary financial difficulties, you may request a temporary delay in collection until your financial situation improves. This option allows you some time to get back on your feet before making payments. Pay as much as you can, even if you can't pay the full amount immediately, try to pay as much as possible. Making partial payments can reduce the interest and penalties that accrue on the remaining balance. Consider financial hardship options. If you're facing extreme financial hardship and are unable to pay your tax debt, you may qualify for the IRS's Currently Not Collectible (CNC) status. This status temporarily suspends collection activities until your financial situation improves. It's important to note that interest and penalties will continue to accrue during this period. Stay in compliance. Ensure you file all future tax returns and pay any taxes owed on time. Non-compliance can lead to additional penalties and further complications with the IRS.